Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a push and seal drain from Pfister Faucets from start to finish. I started by studying the instructions, which are super easy to follow. Your first step is to disassemble the push and seal drain, but keep all the pieces nearby, you'll need them soon. Next step is to put the drain inside of the sink. You want to line up your drain hole with the air hole inside of your sink to prevent any overflow of water if it's left on. Now this is where we'll be using the 3 pieces that we unscrewed from the drain. After heading to under your sink, you'll first install the black washer. It doesn't need to be super tight yet, we'll go back in with a wrench at the end. Next up, we're adding the other 2 pieces. First add the white piece, then add the lock nut. Again, we're just hand tightening right now, it doesn't need to be super tight yet. Once my pieces are done being hand tightened, I add my pipes back on, and then it's time to break out a wrench and finish tightening up the drain. And believe it or not, that's it. The installation is complete. I'm telling you guys, this was so simple to do, you can definitely do it yourself. I recommend letting the water run for several minutes to check for any leaks down below. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments and check out the video description for links.